Hello everyone and welcome back to another series of tutorial. Now we will talk about Zoho Desk. Zoho Desk is basically the monitoring of tickets and everything, issues or concerns about your customers towards your service. Let's go into it by clicking the Access Zoho Desk. So the first landing that we can see is the tickets where you can see the different list of tickets made by your customers or potential customers or some customer service representatives that we interact as our business goes by. So, so first thing here, if we open this one, we can see a conversation or that contains the concern of your customer to help you improve your service or is Is there an issue? Like this one, it says that can you check why our system app stops working? So basically, this asks for concern or response. So to give up a response to this, you just go navigate here and select reply, and you can compose your response, and you can also browse files to attach some documents that would be helpful for them to resolve the issue. So navigating to the next tab, the resolution. This is where you uh, state how you resolve the issue. So we resolve the issue by reloading the page. So that's one thing how you can remember or be reminded how you resolve the issue. Save and time entry. So this is the time entry to track your time spent on this ticket. So how long did the conversation go before it is changed to status of closed? And here are the attachments, the activity or the interaction between you and the customer or the potential customers and approval. So we have a one support email that the customer or the potential customers will send issues into. So to get our support email, we should just go navigate here in the settings, and the under the channels we go to email. So here it is. It will show your support email address. So this is the email where the customer will send tickets, issues, or query. And if you wish to add new support email address, just go click new support email address and type in your new email address or the additional email address for support matters. And as we go back to the tickets, so in here is the ticket, and there is a informations about the ticket. If you wish to add information about the phone, product name, or skills, and additional information, just go click the edit ticket right here and fill out what you want to add uh, or do in this information. I will just hit cancel for now, and let's go back to the tickets dashboards or view. So every ticket has its status. So it's open, on hold, escalated, and closed, and you could also add some customized status for every ticket. We can also assign someone for this ticket. Let's say assign a member of your organization, and Arnold will be notified as soon as he is being assigned to this ticket. So when we open this ticket, you can see that this is assigned or the owner is set to Arnold, and There's also a comment button in here. This is a way of adding some information that the whole organization will have an access privately, and the customer cannot be visible for them to see the comments. So, for example, hi, let's comment it privately, and it will not be available for the customers you have been having a conversation into. So, if we go here, the knowledge base is where you create article or some helpful topics that can be used by your users to solve some issue. Let's say, for example, this is a article on how to solve issue number 001 application has step. So your members could go into here and search for it and view to view the article to get some information or steps and be guided on how to resolve a ticket. So the next step is the customers, where you can view all your customers and everyone who have an interaction in your support desk. Next thing is the analytics, where you can view all the open tickets and the on hold tickets, overdue, due date, and assigned. So basically, this is the dashboard of everything that goes across the from day one to the present, or you can filter it out by date. In here, there is today, yesterday, last 7 days, and many more. So the next thing is the activities. So this would be the timeline of every task or events that happens in your Zoho Desk. And the next one is the community. So the community hub instead lets you build a powerful community around your business. So basically, this is the forum of Zoho Desk. And next thing is the social, where you can add a social media account, at least one. It can either be Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. And next one is the IM. So this is a new feature of the Zoho Desk. So that is how you I can explain the and teach you the basics and the fundamentals of Zoho Desk. Thank you for watching.